Pick up your markers, let's start the fun. Crafty Kids Chronicles has just begun. Cut, glue, and craft with flair. Join us today, we'll take you there. So come along, it's time to create. With Crafty Kids, it's going to be great. Hey guys, today we'll be making this cute watercolor turkey, perfect for Thanksgiving. Stick around to find out how we did this. For this project, you're going to need glue, some acrylic paint, a pencil for tracing, construction paper and regular paper, as well as some watercolor paint. For the first part of this project, you're just going to make some painted glue. So you're going to take some school glue and acrylic paint and mix them together. This works best if you use glue that isn't all the way full, but more like 3/4 full, and then add your acrylic paint. This is what your painted glue should look like. The next step of this project is to draw your turkey. Your turkey can be as simple or as detailed as you want. I decided that I wanted it to be a bit more detailed, so I went in for each feather and drew out a design. Once you're done drawing your turkey, you're then going to take your painted glue and you're going to trace over what you drew with your pencil. Make sure that you get every detail that you drew with your pencil. Once you're done tracing with your painted glue, you're going to let it dry overnight. The last step in this project is to paint your turkey. I chose to use a watercolor paint, but you can use any sort of medium that you want. You can even use crayons or markers if you'd rather for your turkey. This next step is totally optional, but you can glue your turkey onto construction paper just to make the project pop a bit more. Here's the finished product. Happy crafting and happy Thanksgiving!